Right, morning peeps, it's Wednesday the 14th, 15th, 16th. I'm getting kitted up, going to head back to Hereford, home to kick off at 9 o'clock, just when the light rain is going to start. It was planned to be heavy rain, but that's now gone to light rain, but at Hereford it's chucking it down apparently. Right, this room, really comfy room, but bloody hell the heating's on all the time. You wake up really dry and just feeling because you're so warm, and then you go downstairs for breakfast and it's really warm in there. So I need to get some coldness, and I've got to put all these layers on, and I'm heating up, so I need to get my backside in gear and get out on the bike and get some cool breeze. Right then folks, let's head back to Hereford. Hopefully we'll get to, I was going to go via Stroud and what have you, but because the weather's going to be crap on the ride back, I'm just going to go straight back the way I came and back in. So we'll try and get some interesting footage, if there is any interesting footage. Right, let's get let's get dressed up, revved up and bugger off. Right then, we're all kitted up, ready to leave Morbs. Not raining yet. Get the little baby warmed up. Planned on leaving at 9. Bloody hell, it's warm. I've got so many layers on, I think I've overcooked it. I think I'm going to be overcooked. But you can never be too sure. Leaving the cannonball. Oh, it's market day. Market day in Marlborough. Lovely. Fresh produce. There's Pino's Pizza, highly recommended that place, highly recommended. Proper Italian scran. M4 to South Wales. Alright boys, how's it going? Tidy? Otherwise Langton. Alright mate, I'm a Cockney geezer. Oi oi. Bloody hands are warm. I've got a pair of liner gloves in and I don't need them. I'm roasting, I might stop and take them off. Rain's starting to come down now, riding into it rather than away from it, so we'll give the orange Tango suit a good test. I'm glad I've got my Tango suit on with this fog coming down. Be seen, be safe and be dry. Even though I'm wearing an orange suit, just had some twat in a transit van pull out on me. Bloody idiot. Gave him a bit of verbal. cars in Gloucester now. Rain stopped. Nothing to speak of. Newent. So far I've been quite lucky with the weather. I've had a bit, but nothing major. I was expecting some biblical stuff, and my brother was sending me some reports about biblical rain. Rog, if you're watching this, how are you doing? Yeah, lucky with the weather. And it's bloody warm as well, really warm. I'm over layered too much. I'm cooking here, I'm cooking. Right, I've just taken my little buff off, my head was cooking. Taking my little inner gloves off, my hands were cooking. Oh dear, so my ear's bent in my helmet. Don't you just hate that when you get your ear bent in your helmet? Right then, next up, Jacqueline's. Coming through the little village of Charlie now. That's Charlie, as in Charlie Dimmock. The Trumpet Crossroads, ladies and gentlemen, the Trumpet Crossroads. Left for Ledbury, right for Ledbury, left for Hereford, straight on for Leominster. Ooh. Crumpet. Renowned for its crumpet. Making good time, set off at 9, it's now 20 to 11. Not bad, 2 hours run. It took a bit longer going down there. Oh boo, we got a speed camera. I should have, this is a 30 mile an hour, I should have been bombing through here at 45. Get a badge of honour. Let's see if we can get some air between the wheels as we go over the railway bridge. Come on then. Oh yeah, definitely got some air there. Right, about 2 miles from Hereford and the bloody rain's coming down now. Bloody hell, Andy boy, bloody hell. But it's all good, it could have been a lot worse. Hereford. Thankfully the rain hasn't come to much. So he started a bit when I got into Hereford, a couple of miles from Hereford, but it seems worse. Well, it seems worse as when you're riding, because you're riding into it faster, but when you stop you realise there's not a great deal going on. Huzzah! No biblical rain for me. Brilliant! So you got a crap northern ring road section in Hereford. You got this wiggly bridge which has been here for bloody ages, and the amount of traffic that uses this, heavy traffic, why they haven't sorted this out is beyond me. Bloody Hereford, innit? Pretty useless. Extreme River Water Traverse. Awesome. And a second one. Absolutely nothing compared to what I've done. Right then folks, we is back. Oh dear me. Could have been a lot worse with the weather. Had a bit of rain but nothing to speak of. Biblical planned, didn't get biblical. Right then folks, back. That was a nice little ride back. Only 2 hours 5 minutes. That was quicker than going down there. Don't know what to say really. It's a good couple of days. Lesson learnt: don't ride Wiltshire off-road stuff when it's wet. It's got to be bone dry. Bike going phenomenally well. You can't beat these things. I mean, the stuff it's done this yesterday, incredible. And some of the water traverses which you will get to see, absolutely amazing. So yeah, really happy. Just need to get a few things sorted out, get it washed, give it a good check over, put the road tyres back on it, ready for some roadie action with Mr. Justin. Ooh, arse. Right then folks, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, share the love. Until the next random content, which is going to be possibly the Marlborough adventure yesterday, followed by Dovey Bike Park in 2 weeks' time. Right then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. In a bit, peeps. Wow, just how lucky am I? I just came through the door at Jackie's, started getting undressed, and this happened. My God, it's biblical. This would have been an absolute nightmare riding back in this. Really dodged a bullet here. Nice one, Andy boy. Sidey.